platform ano. Okay. Okay. Basi. Sain ni nara. Atau ngekede ngejindi ngaje fana ngekede. Okay. Inshallah. Okay.
You good, yeah?
Okay.
All right.
Tomorrow you go. Okay, tomorrow.
Coming tomorrow. Yeah, my people, this is the Gambia you never see on TV. Here goes your boy Loco Child, the eye of the Gambia, the Prince of Africa. Yes, so that's Billionaire. We are in Brufut, heights of the
Call the
rich.
man? Ah, okay.
Yeah, we are Brufut height. Height of the rich. That's a French school academy.
Yeah,
Frankfurt. Life in Gambia, innit? So calm, wonderful, unique, proper standard buildings in the Gambia. As I always said, Gambia is fast growing than before. So right with my American subscribers straight from America to the Gambia, and they will spend some couple of days right. You know, so in case if you're out there, you know, you want to visit the Gambia, you never know the Gambia, you want to know the Gambia, here is the driver that can pick you at the international airport and then drive you all over the Gambia. Like you want to see the Kunta Kinte Island, you want to see Gore Island, you know. So this is the Gambia, the smiling coast, the unique coast of Africa. You see how beautiful beyond imagination Gambian sisters are. Don't complain. Gambians are not familiar with cameras and they are so beautiful. You see, but Gambians, no, we are backward when it comes to camera. Yeah, so shout out to Gambian sisters who are in here and out there. It's all about the beauty side of the Gambia, simply the way, as I said. If you are new to the platform, you never subscribed before, subscribe, basically like it and say it. As I always said, for the Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow, we stand, we strive to work and pray that all may live in big unity, freedom, peace each and every day. Let's justice guide and drive our actions towards our brotherhood.
Right here.
Yes.
Oh, right, so right here.
Yeah. So the driver is a unique, wonderful driver. What's your name?
My name is
Jibril. Yeah, so he's a good driver anyway. I will drop his number in the video in case if you want to have a full-time driver, very comfortable driving right in the Gambia, just call him before you come to the Gambia. Whatever that you need, he will get it for you. I love his service, simply the way. My brother, do you love his service?
Yes.
Yes.
He's a good man.
He's a good man. I can recommend that. So make sure when coming to Gambia, make sure call Jibril. He can take you all over the Gambia, Senegal. So it's all about our homeland, the Gambia, innit? So make sure you drop your comment, let us know which other part of the Gambia you want to see. So stay tuned with us. We're going to drive to the international airport of the Gambia. Look at that. smiling coast of West Africa. Yes, Mariama Kunda Johnson.
Apa nyanyi?
Traffic. This one is we still continue the journey, right? So as I said, we're driving to the international airport, but if you are new to the platform or you come into the Gambia, right, the right place for the right person to contact the Gambia is Jibril. So I'm going to drop his number when coming to Gambia. Please talk to him, make sure give him a trip, you know, even not of your whole of your holiday, but make sure.
Too expensive?
Oh,
To get a car is difficult.
yeah, the public car is difficult, but taxi is more easier to move it, but it's very expensive. So if you want to go quickly, fast, you're in a mission, you use the taxi to go.
I have a place they show me admission. Just at pay for 6 months. 2,000. 6 months rent. But when you how much do you pay? You pay 2,000 for 6 months. So now you will get 2,000 for another. Wow. So what you waiting for to pay then? They haven't paid you, you know, the money they pay you, it doesn't return.
It's low. It's less than $100. We are from Paradise. This Paradise, yeah? Wow.
Sorry, yeah.
The Swami Indian.
Okay, we'll see you tomorrow, okay?
moving around West Africa, moving to African continents, building Africa one step at a time. Yeah, good driver though. Yeah. No more dal. Jibril, ila number mo net. Ila WhatsApp number. What's your WhatsApp number?
917
9 Gamsel?
yeah
917
01
01
77.
77. So I will fully write it on the screen, right? When coming to the Gambia with your entire family, you know, you can simply contact him. I can simply recommend him, like he's the best out of the rest when it comes to driving in the Gambia. #1 tour guide. Yes. Right, big both side green. Oh, it's all miracle, beautiful. Martin Halim Highway looks so unique and wonderful. Look at those beautiful street lights. So green is like a diamond. See. It's the Gambia airport, right? if you go.
Yeah, I'm going.
But truly Gambia is beautiful.
Legs hurt today. I'm tired. The whole airport is full.
Yeah, right now the airport is full, you know. Maybe one flight or two flights came.
Park somewhere here. Very easy. Somewhere here. Here.
Yeah, it's far.
So it's like right now. Wow, Gambian malam kali ya. Beneran ya. Wow. That's right.
I'm calling him so he can pick up the phone.
Hope he's not busy in.
He said when I come I should call him.
Okay. We go. Yes. Welcome to the Gambia. Welcome. So right now, as